Hey there, girlfriend. Have you ever wondered how to stream to a Facebook group using a third-party app? We're going to get to the bottom of that in today's video. We'll see you on the other side. And in today's video, we are going to teach you exactly how to stream to a Facebook group using Streamyard. That is the third-party app that we're going to use. Secondly, we're going to show you how to schedule your video if you want to do it with using a pre-recorded video. And then third, we're going to actually show you how to stream into a Facebook group using Streamyard if you want to go live like right now. So let's do this, shall we? So I don't know if you know that as of April 22nd, 2024, Facebook did not allow any third-party apps to stream inside of Facebook groups. And I know this was a big deal for me. And I'm sure if you're one of those people that uses groups to communicate with your community, this is probably a big deal for you as well. So what I want to do is go through and give you a step-by-step instruction on exactly how to do this, because I know some of the videos that I've watched before, they just kind of told you how to do it. But in this video, I really want to just show you step by step, because this was truly a struggle for me trying to figure this thing out. So I wanted to make sure that it's crystal clear for you, so you won't have the trials and tribulations that I had to go through to actually figure this thing out. So let's do this. We're going to talk first about how to go live. So if you have a scheduled call, and I typically have a scheduled video that I go inside of one of my groups. It's called the Women's Entrepreneur Collaboration Group. So if you want more information about that and how you can be a part of it, definitely check out the link down in the description. But anyway, I typically go inside of this group every Tuesday at 11 a.m. And when this change happened, I was scrambling bad trying to get in there. I think I actually got in maybe a couple of hours later, and I apologized to my tribe because I had no idea that this third-party app thing was going down. So let's go through. I'm actually going to share my screen of exactly how you can do this. Okay, so now I am actually inside of this test group that I made up specifically for you guys to see exactly how to do this. So this is a brand spanking new group called Test. And what I'm going to do is go to where you would normally post. So where it says write something, you're going to click there. And then when you see these three dots, you're going to click on the three dots and then go to live video. That's what you're going to go. All right. So after you create live video, you're going to hit go live. Now, one of the first things they're going to want you to do is to actually complete the post details. So I'm just going to call this test run. I'll say test run. Yeah, like I said. And then this is a test run for live video. Okay, so we hit save right here. All right, so we got that. So you see it's checked over here. It has the check mark that says that it's ready to go. Complete post details. So I have done that. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you want to come down here, and you see right here where it says, when are you going live? So I'm going to say I'm going live right now. So what's going to happen is when I say that I'm going live right now, I have to connect this group now to Streamyard. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen, and then I'm going to go to my Streamyard screen so you can see exactly how I set up the Streamyard. Okay, so now this is what I hit add destination. So I'm right here at destinations. So I'm just going to go home first. I go home, come back here. Right here at destination. So you'll see that's how I click on add destinations, and then I go to customize RTMP. Now, normally before all of this went down, you would click over here, but you can't do that now. So you're going to click that here. And this is where you actually put in the information from the group. So you're going to go back to Facebook and get this information that you need here. So I'm going to stop sharing again. Go back to the Facebook group so you can see exactly where I'm getting this information from. Okay, so in that other screen, they ask for the stream key. So that's that here. And then they ask, if you click under here, the advanced settings, they also ask for the server URL, and that's the RTMPS. So I'm going to grab this. I'm going to copy this here. Stop sharing. Go back over to the other screen for Streamyard. And I'm going to add the stream key here. So I'll cut and paste that. So that's what I got from Facebook. Now we're going to go back to Facebook and we're going to get the RTMP code. So we'll go back to Facebook. Now we're sharing again. This is the server URL and I'm going to hit copy. Now, before I go back over to Streamyard, I want to make sure that when you do this, so you don't have to keep doing this over and over again, you want to make sure that the key is a persistent stream key and so you won't have to keep changing it. You can actually save it into your Streamyard. So since that's saved like this is going to be the key forever and a day. Okay. Now we're going to go back to Streamyard and we're going to type in that RTMP code here. See, and that's where that goes. And I'm just going to call this nickname Tess. And that's just the name that's going to be on my Streamyard when I go back. All right, so I'm going to click here. So now that is now a destination. So when it comes time for me to go live, I'm going to hit here, for me to schedule to go live, I'm going to go here. Well, I'll go back home. I am going to do a live stream here. You see my test. I'm going to click on test and I'm going to call it test again. Create a live stream. And put myself in here and I'm here ready to go. All right. So now when I say that I want to go live, I can go live here. So I'm going to hit go live. Okay, so now I am live. Okay, so now I'm going to switch again. I'm going to go back to Facebook. Okay, so I'm here now. And I'm live right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop sharing. And I'm going to go to the Facebook page. And as you can see, I'm live right here. Going to the Facebook page and you see where it says go live, and this is the problem. This is the part that I've messed up so many times when I did this before. You got to hit that to go live in the group. So when you hit that, you see that it says that you're live. That is how you know for sure that you are live. It's telling you you're live. So you want to make sure that you do that. Okay. So that's how you would do it if you want to go live like right now. So now we're going to stop this. I'll just say end. And we are going to go back to inside the group. So if you want to do something in the future, you'll go to go live again. You have your key and everything. You'll go in here like you did before when you were doing it right then. We're going to call this test 2, and then we'll call this test 2. Hit save. So now we have the complete post details. We've done that. Right here where you see now, you're going to change it to later, and then you're going to actually tell it when you want to do it. So we'll just say tomorrow, the next day, at 2:45. And then because you have scheduled this, you're going to hit schedule live video. So you can just hit schedule live video, and then it says your video is scheduled. So now that's done on the Facebook end. Now we're going to stop the share again. How do you normally stream into Facebook? Do you go directly live, or do you actually do a pre-recorded video and have that streaming in live like it's really live, but it really isn't? Comment below and let us know. Okay, so now we're going to go back here to live stream. You see where it says pre-recorded video. We'll go here. We're going to select the video. So I'm going to go to my recordings. I'm going to pick this video that I just did right here. So I'll choose this. And then I'm going to set it up for test because that's the group we're going to go in. We said we were going to do it on the 2nd at 2:45. So I'm going to do the 2nd at 2:45. And then create screen. And then it's now created. So that's how you would do it if you were wanting to schedule a video that you had already pre-recorded. So I'm hoping that this was a benefit to you. Be sure to subscribe to get our latest videos. Highlight the notification bell so you won't miss a beat, because we upload a video every Monday through Friday these days. And as always, thanks for watching, and bye for now.